Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Miss Rauda. My name is Nur Fadia Dayana and my partner.
And my name is Nur Nizati.
Okay, today we will presenting about an interesting topic. It was trend of rape in Malaysia in 2023. So let's move on to introduction. What is rape? Rape is to force someone to have sex when they are unwilling, using violence or threatening behavior. It is from Dictionary 2025. There are several effects of rape, such as psychological and emotional effect, physical health effect, social effect, educational and career impact, and lastly, impact on public safety and trust. Next, move to credibility. Over recent years, rape cases in Malaysia have shown worrying fluctuation, highlighting a social serious issue that continues to affect many communities. Our credibility in presenting this topic comes from reviewing reports, statistics, and news published by government agencies and NGOs such as WAO, which clearly demonstrate the severity of this situation. Moreover, we believe it is important to raise awareness about this trend to promote prevention, education, and stronger protection for victims. On the other hand, many survivors still remain silent due to fear, shame, or lack of support, making it even more crucial for us to understand and discuss about this growing problem. Next, let me show you this bar graph. The graph illustrates the annual number of rape cases in Malaysia. This data was taken from WAO 2023 based on National Rape Case Report. The number of rape cases peaked in 2016 and 2023, each with nearly 1,900 report cases. Meanwhile, the lowest figure was recorded in 2021, which around 1,550 cases, and it may reflect the effect of the pandemic period where reporting was disrupted. Moreover, the increase in 2023 suggests that more victims are coming forward and possibly a rise in actual incidents. In contrast, the overall pattern showed a decline during 2020 until 2021, possibly due to underreporting during the pandemic, followed by a sharp rise in 2022 until 2023 as restriction is and reporting channel become more accessible.
And next, let's move on to the next chart, which is the pie chart. This pie chart is show the percentage among state of rape cases in Malaysia. As we can see here, the purple, Selangor recorded the highest numbers of cases, contributing about 90.6% of all national report. This followed by the Sabah, 11.8%, Johor, 10.1%, and also Kedah, 9.6%. Other states such as Sarawak, Perak, and also Penang recorded a smaller percentage of each of them. The higher percentage of Selangor can be related to the largest population, urban lifestyle, and also greatest media exposure. Selangor is the developed state with more police stations and also NGOs so that the victim can find it easier way to report their incidents. Other than that, Sabah and also Sarawak have the many rural and isolated areas where it shows a constant numbers of each cases reported. This could be this could be mean that rape incidents are also happening but are not reported because of maybe due to the limited access to the authorities, social stigma, and maybe lack of education. Next, um, to be concluded, the data clearly show that rape continues to be a major issue in Malaysia. this sharply increased in 2023 prove that the, prove that this is not the problem. This is not a problem that we can ignore. It affects victims physically, emotionally, and psychologically, and it damages families and also the community. Therefore, government, NGO, and also society need to work together to effectively reduce the sexual violence. Malaysia must focus on the educating the public about respect, consent, and also strengthen the legal protection and ensure that victims receive both emotional and legal assistance without discrimination. At the same time, social must take responsibility in promoting the respect, empathy, and also understanding towards victims instead of judging them. With this method and way, we can reduce the sexual violence in Malaysia, and we can also reduce the numbers of reported cases and creating the safer environment for everyone. Next, this is the reference that we refer to get the data of the trend rate in Malaysia. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much, guys.
All right.